Howdy, folks. It's Jeff Camarda. It's Monday, July 13th. Good afternoon, good late afternoon, good early evening, I guess. Sorry to be a little bit late on this. It's been kind of a busy day. I don't need the glasses. We'll take those off. And please forgive the Camarda Cares t-shirt here. Left over from one of our many philanthropic events. But boy, oh boy, what a crazy day in the markets, huh? After surging pretty significantly in the wake of rising markets in Europe and the Far East, there was a pretty jarring reversal to the point where NASDAQ was down significantly, and I think all major industries closed down, perhaps maybe not the Dow, but that's only 30 stocks. But even I saw that in the red toward the end of the day. And you wonder really what's going on. You know, as we approach record highs now, NASDAQ's at records and records on the Dow and the S&P 500. Hair's whisker away. And how do you reconcile that with the fact that the Fed is kind of paring back its stimulus? Virus cases continue to mount worldwide and especially in the U.S. at an alarming rate. Florida, and I think, has now eclipsed New York in terms of the worst case scenario. And Florida really is just getting going now. You know, I'm sure there's a lot of folks walking around asymptomatic or a little bit sick. While the lower death rate has been lauded and may it stay there, of course, you know, this early in the infection cycle, it's not unreasonable to think those folks are, just haven't got to that point yet. And on top of, just a lack of clarity, the lack of forecast for so many companies having no idea what kind of revenues they're going to enjoy going forward. It just doesn't add up to me, as you know, for a while. And I think, I hate to be the broken record here, but I think current stock prices are rather frothy. And we're happy to be sitting on some dry powder in anticipation of better pickings to come. And of course, I hope I'm wrong. We're kind of one shoe on, one shoe off, and invested in those areas that we expect to do very well. And certainly China has done well with tech stocks and consumer durables and things like that. So we're happy to be positioned as we are. But we're a long way from being out of the woods, and the sun is going down. So not to be too somber, we'll just have to wait and see what happens. I'm not sure if today was the flipping point in the market, but we're, obviously know how I feel. So sorry to belabor that. Also, remember, we have a really exciting class next Tuesday. And let's see, what would that be? The 21st, Kim? The 21st. At 6 p.m. Eastern and 10 a.m. Eastern, a class on taxes and retirement. By popular demand, we switched it from overall wealth management. We think most of you will find this to be fascinating information. Please remember to tune in. You'll need that special link. So you have to register for the class, and please, please, please pass the invitation on to your friends and family. We'll never even know that they were there if they don't want to contact from us, but I think they'll find it really solid information they can put to good use. And then also Kim and Alexis and Rick and the rest of the marketing team was hard at work. I conducted actually an extensive survey across America to find out what folks wanted us to name our new financial education facility. The top two names were Wealth Education Institute and the Family Wealth Education Institute. But we really like to know what you think. So take a moment, either email me, j@camarda.com or kim.camarda@camarda.com, and let us know what your choice and preference of name. And that's more than enough for tonight. Until tomorrow, Tuesday the 14th, vaya con Dios and buenas tardes.